Welcome to another Baon serye. At dahil catering is life, motherhood is lifer, and TikTok is lifest, ang daming nag-request sa akin. Yung sinuserve ko naman daw sa cater, ang gawin kong baon ng mga anak ko. Okay, why not? Ayan, so nakakita ako sa palengke ng sobrang laking chicken and I decided na I can actually divide this into several portions. Today, we are using the chicken breast because we are going to make cordon bleu. Ano? Cordon bleu? Oo, tama, rinig mo. Yun pala yung tamang pronunciation doon. Akala ko noon cordon bleu. No, it's cordon bleu. It's a French dish. Tapos, the spelling is B-L-E-U. So, there's letter E before U. Kaya, ganun yung pronunciation niya. Oy, may natutunan kami. So, after natin ma-fillet yung mga chicken breast or matanggal ito from the bone, we are now going to slice this para numipis at lumapad. Once na-achieve na natin ito, we will submerge the chicken breast in a brine which is made out of water, salt, and sugar. Hindi ko na napakita sa video, pero babad-babad lang. Habang binababad natin yung mga chicken breast, we will prep now yung mga gamit natin sa kusina. So, gagamit tayo ng Glad cling wrap para balutin yung chopping board to protect it from the bacteria of the chicken breast. And then, we will cover it up again with the Glad cling wrap and tsaka natin siya pupukpukin para lumapad palalo yung chicken at magkaroon ng even surface for rolling. Gagamit tayo ng kahit anong ham at kahit anong cheese. For every chicken breast, gagamit tayo ng 2 ham at 2 slices of cheese. Here, I am using cream cheese kasi why not, diba? Roll it tightly. So, hindi kailangan magmadali. Basta mai-roll natin ito ng tama. Goods na yan. Just repeat the process with all the other chicken breast. And, gagamit ulit tayo ng Glad cling wrap. Napaka-useful talaga nito sa akin, mga kamarisha. What I am doing is a technique na ginagawa ng mga karamihang nagbebenta ng cordon bleu. We want a perfect roll. We want the same sizes and length. And this squeezes the ends of the cordon bleu. Kaya ang ending ay hindi nag-ooze out yung cheese when we're frying it. Kaya sobrang useful sa akin ang Glad cling wrap. Imagine niyo, ang dami namin ginagawa at pinuproduce na ganito everyday. So once we are done securing the ends of our cordon bleu, we are just going to place this in the freezer until it hardens a little. When I'm in a hurry, it just takes about an hour or 2. Pero dahil mga nanay tayo at baon ang gagawin natin, pwede to hanggang kinabukasan or sa mga susunod pa na araw. At pwedeng pa isa-isa rin lang ang luto. We're adding egg. So, 1 egg per cordon. Lalagyan natin ng maraming asin. Tapos, ibibit na natin yung eggs. Then, we're drenching this in flour. And then, afterwards, ilagay sa itlog. Tapos, ilalagay sa breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs. Use your left hand for dry ingredients and right hand for wet ingredients. Huwag kakalimutan. Once you've coated it evenly, i-deep fry na natin ito. So, there is a tendency because this is frozen na mahilaw yung gitna. And one technique na ginagawa ko ay binibake ko ito sa oven. Once the outer layer is already golden and crispy, we can place this in the cooling rack and then we will cover it with Glad aluminum foil. Tapos, bake na natin sa oven for 180 degrees Celsius for mga 15 minutes para lang masigurado mo na luto yung loob. Or if you have like a thermometer, pwede mong tusukin yung cordon bleu at pag 150 degrees Celsius siya sa loob, it means it's cooked chicken breast. The brining process din ng chicken breast ensures na hindi magdadry yung chicken breast kapag maraming beses natin siya niluluto. So yun mga kamari chef, matrabaho siya talaga, kaya siya mahal. But at the end of the day, pag na-slice na natin ito, it's super worth it. Para hindi mabasag yung breadcrumbs when you're slicing it, use a serrated knife. So ayan, no, kitang-kita, sobrang juicy, sobrang ganda niya mga kamari chef. Ang ganda talaga ng pagkakaroll ng mga cordon bleu ko dahil gumamit ako ng Glad cling wrap. So ayan, ilagay na natin sa baonan, add some sesame seeds and chili flakes and some fresh basil. Ayun lang mga kamari chef, I hope you guys like and share this video.